Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
Proud parents, Mrs. May Ann Pisil and Mr. Channel Pisil. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen.
Daghang kayong salamat ng tanan. Okay, God.
To my dearest debutant, Gigi, pagumangkon nga mo, igsuon na nako, and my best of best friend. Since then nag-uban tagda ko, na-witness naton duha ato mga kasakit o kalipay, And thankful kayo kung nanaatan ko ka para sa isang isa. Lahi-lahi man tagbatasan, pero mas gibili na tunduha ang magkasinagtanan. And now, look at you, all grown up and shining so bright today. May this 18th year bring you the gift of knowing your own worth, so you never settle for less than you deserve. May you grow into the kind, strong woman we always dreamed you'd be. And now, I'll still be right here. Just like we promised back then. You're not just celebrating 18 years today. You're celebrating the amazing person you've been since the very start. I love you always, my Gigi. Welcome to adulthood.
Is filled with genuine laughter, love, and memories you'll always look back on with a smile. Stay true to who you are, keep chasing your dreams, and know that I'm always here for you. Cheers to 18 and everything amazing that is coming to your way. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Julian. Stay pretty, stay healthy. I pray na ma-achieve ni mo tanan ni mong dreams sa imong kinabuhi o makuha ni mo tanan ni mong gusto. Naarami ni mo. Ito, og dagang salamat.
Hi! Happy birthday, G. Thank you for being there through my ups and downs, being my partner in crime, my ultimate elementary bestie. I wish you to have a good health and to succeed in life because I know you have a lot of goals to achieve. May your journey to adulthood be full of excitement and good memories. I love you, God bless you, and once again, happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday, Riay. I wish you good health and more blessings, more birthdays to come. Thank you for being there. Kung mag-break ka mo for gusto mo sa ready ka mamina. Thank you so much for being my friend all through the years. And once again, happy birthday.
Hi ma, happy birthday. I'm truly thankful nga naabot ka sa ako ang kinabuhi. You are my comforter, my support, and my safe place. Nga, whenever I feel tired, overwhelmed, or lost, naka-always sa ako ang side mo listen ug mo understand nako. So because of that, my life feel lighter and my heart feel at peace. Murag sa tanang problema nga naa ka, masayo na siya nako ato bangon. Thank you for your kindness and your patience and for your genuine heart. Nga sa tanang tao sa nagpalibot nimo imong i-value ug imong gilove. Murag swerte kay ko nga naka best friend like you. I am so proud of the strong, beautiful person you are becoming. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you so much.
Heartwarming.
Hi, Ma'am. Alias, ang sultinihan ng thankful kay kung nabot na sa akong kinabuhi. So, elementary, na-arjun na pero sa ako magtapik ka o problema. Kaling balay ninyo masaksin na lang sa pagkabuan. Himanganan, katawanan. Kaling yung balay ninyo, kanyang gibidlugan ka. Ay, nungtog mo ka. Anas Jesus gabi, no? Anas Jesus gabi na ito ko nakaanak sa magalingon na nakapasyunay ko yung barkada nga tinuod. Maduulan, kung na ako'y problema. Kung na ako'y isulti nga, hindi na ako masulti sa uban. So, tanang barkada na ako, lahi na sa kanila. Like, nadjugay something sa ako ang kinabuhi. Like, dili ko mabuhi o wala ka. Like, na lang murag. Sumunod lang, thank you kayo sa tanan nga imong hinahatag sa ako sa inyong pagpamilya sa mga problema. Pagkamay na ako. Happy birthday. 18 na ka. I love you, Dad.
Very cutie.
Hi, Wobby! Happy birthday! Welcome to adulthood. Padayon sa imong mga indang goals, stay kind, and always believe in yourself. Wishing you happiness and bright future.
Hi, Mami. Happy
18th birthday, Mami Gia. Thank you sa tanang support nimo para nako sa kabuang man or sa kaayuhan. I just want to wish you a future full of happiness, growth, and endless opportunities. I hope you always find the courage to go after what you truly want and the strength to get through every challenge. Stay kind, stay true to yourself, and never forget how strong you are. I'm always rooting for you, and I can't wait to see everything you'll become. Thank you, and I love you.
Hi, Tina Yugal! Happy 18th birthday, ate! Wag ko ka-expect nga magka-close ta. Okay, wag nga pa lang. Sa una, nalagay kasi ka. Close, diba? Rich girl, Becca! Matik ate-ate! Okay, expect pag-abot sa high school, magkabigat sa ganun. It turned out to be a softie pala. Never ni mo pa-feel ako nga ma-left out ko or kung ma-left out ko nga ni ko, imuli ko kuhiton, maduulon ko ni mo, anak. Thank you sa pagkan. Salamat kayo. I hope kung sa maganda yung mga dreams, unta makuha mo na o. Makita hindi ka sunod nga successful jud ka kung sa maganda. Happy 18th birthday, Tina Yugal.
Happy birthday yan. My close friend since elementary days. Like, makainumdum pag yung ko kung kada mag-half day, diri kita magpunto, kita ng duha. And it was an honor to stand here in front, giving advice to our dearest angel. Firstly and initially, may your day be as sweet as your birthday cake. I hope your journey to adulthood will be filled with laughter and memorable moments with friends and family. And may your future turn out to be what you expected to happen. And once again, happy birthday, Yan. I love you, Yan. Welcome to adulthood.
Up next is
Good afternoon, everyone, especially to my amazing, beautiful girl. From me, I humbly greet you a happy, happy birthday, my best friend, Gian. As you step into this new chapter, I wanted to know that I am so proud of you. I'm so blessed that I have you in my life. You're not just me, my best friend of mine, but also my sister. Let's enjoy your daily life with laughter, dreams, and endless memories together. Welcome to Legality. I love you, Gian.
Ate Gia. Up next.
Kaya yan, hindi ka mag-ate na kanyang ka-18 na po. Firstly and initially, welcome to adulthood. I can't believe na mag-ate na ako yung day, even though mas mura ko na ako. Hindi ko na wala na ka-makeup ko. I'm wishing you a... Hindi ko kung maayo mag-impromptu speaking, but I try my best. I am very fortunate nga nakailan ikaw. And, hindi ko siya taasin na kayo makailan ako. Happy birthday. Ako ka, search sa ChatGPT ko. Happy birthday. Welcome to adulthood.
Interactive message from Carmel Celorio.
Hi, Gia. How are you feeling? You are now stepping into a new chapter of your life, which is adulthood. Thank you for being the best friend of mine. Even though we just met in 11th grade, we became close really quick. Thank you for being so friendly and not letting me feel left out every time. For your dreams, I hope you'll reach them one day. I am rooting for you. My heart full greeting once again. May your dreams filled with sweet moments and endless happiness. Happy, happy 18th birthday, Gian Angel, my friend. Thank you for being such a genuine and good friend. I wish you a happy and bright future. May you achieve your dreams step by step, be able to overcome any obstacles you might face along the way, and stay strong when life gets hard. I hope you always stay kind and true to yourself, and may your days be filled with joy and happiness. Again, happy 18th birthday, and may this chapter bring you many blessings. Love you.
Hi, Gian. Thank you, Lelo. Sabado. Wala ko na-expect na. Mabot na yung mga
Thank you po sa pagkain niya. Nag-offer ko sa inuwa, pero... Ako mission ni Ruel. Mabuti mo yung mga dreams sa life. Tapos, unta, guwapar, gambot ka ila. Yan, dilis ka. Dili na ka mag sinuplada kay. Suplada na eh.
Hi, Ate Gian. You deserve all the good things this life can offer. I hope you win in life, not just in success, but in happiness, peace, and love. May you always choose yourself, choose your dreams bravely, and never forget how special you are to the people who love you. As you step into this new chapter, may your life be full of bright days, answered prayers, and beautiful memories. Keep being the kind, loving soul that you are. The world needs more people like you. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Gian Angel Subat. Hi to my pretty, kind, smart, bright, and everything best friend. Today is her 18th birthday. No more minor age na joke. Happy birthday to you, Gian. Thank you for taking me to be part of your 18th campus. Wala jud ko nag-expect. After how many years nga wala na ko kayo laag with you, ninyo, banding, tanan pag yun, pero you still remembers me. I am very thankful na nakaila ikaw o nakaila ka mo. My wish for you, may the year ahead brings you endless reasons to smile, from small everyday joys to big, breathtaking moments that take your breath away. May you walk with confidence in every path you choose, knowing you're capable of incredible things. We will support you in everything you want as long as makamaayos siya nimo. Amping ka always. I love you so much and happy birthday again.
Kung ika'y pag-ibig akin, huwag ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lulukohin, ang puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin, na ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Wow!
But nothing can compare to when you naked. Now we're backward into many, got you fed. Saying you don't want from me, I need to flex it. Started when we were younger. Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out. Guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that dress fall off you is amazing. Love inside right now. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, everything, God. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the